Hello everyone and welcome to our special May edition, where we dive into how Alpine Property Management can help you elevate your real estate portfolio in Kansas City this spring. With the market continuously evolving, it's crucial to stay ahead with a management team that not only understands the local landscape but also drives your investments toward maximum profitability. Today we're going to unpack just how Alpine makes this possible, providing you with the tools and strategies to boost your portfolio. First, let's talk about the foundation of any successful real estate investment: strategic property management. At Alpine, we don't just manage properties, we enhance them. Our approach combines deep market insight with tailored management solutions that align with your specific investment goals. Whether you're looking to maximize occupancy rates, increase rental income, or maintain your properties in top condition, Alpine has the expertise to make it happen. We start with a comprehensive analysis of each property, assessing its strengths and identifying opportunities for improvement. This might mean suggesting upgrades that attract more tenants or repositioning your property to target a different market segment. We handle everything from minor refurbishments to major renovations, all aimed at increasing your property's value and appeal. But management is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's talk about acquisition and growth. For those looking to expand their portfolios, Alpine offers unmatched support in identifying and acquiring promising new properties. Our deep-rooted connections in Kansas City and our keen understanding of market dynamics allow us to spot opportunities that others might miss. We guide you through the entire acquisition process, from negotiating deals to closing sales, ensuring that every new addition aligns perfectly with the rest of your portfolio. Now, for those considering selling, we haven't forgotten about you. Alpine's We Buy Houses program is perfect for investors looking to divest quickly and efficiently. We offer competitive prices and fast closings, handling all the complexities of the sale, so you can focus on reinvesting or reallocating your resources as you see fit. Whether you're scaling up, downsizing, or simply looking to cash out on your investment, Alpine provides a streamlined, hassle-free solution. One of the core aspects of our approach is the emphasis on preventive maintenance. This proactive strategy not only helps in keeping the properties in pristine condition, but also significantly reduces the likelihood of costly repairs in the future. Alpine's maintenance team regularly assesses each property for potential issues and addresses them before they escalate, ensuring that minor problems don't turn into major expenses. Furthermore, Alpine's commitment to enhancing property value through aesthetic and functional upgrades is unparalleled. We recognize that tenant expectations evolve, and staying competitive means keeping properties modern and appealing. Our team advises on the most effective upgrades, from energy-efficient appliances to modern landscaping, all designed to increase the attractiveness of your properties to prospective tenants, while also boosting overall property values. In addition to physical property management, Alpine excels in financial management and market analysis. Our team conducts thorough market analysis to ensure your rental prices are optimized for the market conditions, maximizing your revenue without sacrificing occupancy rates. We also provide detailed financial reporting, giving you a clear picture of your investments and helping you track profitability and plan for future growth effectively. Lastly, Alpine's use of cutting-edge technology in property management sets us apart. Our online platforms offer tenants easy access to payment systems, maintenance requests, and communication tools, enhancing their overall experience and satisfaction. For property owners, our robust management software provides real-time insights into property performance, financial statistics, and operational metrics, empowering you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Partnering with Alpine Property Management means gaining a team of experts dedicated to not just maintaining, but significantly enhancing your real estate investments. Our comprehensive approach ensures that every aspect of your portfolio, from physical and financial management to tenant relations and strategic growth, is expertly handled. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take your real estate portfolio to new heights with a management team that brings industry-leading expertise and a commitment to excellence, contact Alpine Property Management today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content that can help you navigate the exciting world of real estate investment. With Alpine, your investment goals are not just possibilities, they are certainties. Let's build a prosperous future together in Kansas City.